Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Shirley, also known as Backttalk, and I do anything Disney. And today we are at the Citadel Disney Outlet over in Anaheim. It is about 30 to 40 minutes away from the parks, so we shall see what they have. It is a Sunday around 10:20, 10:25. They open at 10. Ooh, take an additional 25% off. I'm already excited. You come in and we're seeing toys with, again, an additional 25%. I think I want to go straight to pins. I'm going to be a little bit unorthodox just because I want to see what I can find. There's some Halloween finds. Alright, it looks like they are behind the case, which is interesting. It looks like there's some Alex and Annie. I already have that one, but it's 25% off, so that's not bad. Best day ever. Some jewelry. This 100 ornament. We have some pins. Oh my gosh, I need this pin. We're gonna talk about Bruno. This Pixar one. I need the Figaro one. Look how cute he is. And then it looks like they have Munchlins, but I don't know that they're on sale. I'll have to ask. Over here we have some figurines. It looks like it's 70, again with 25% off. And Thor. And then I believe this is like the normal price section. So let's go back to the left. The right is usually like normal store. Ooh. Maybe. We'll see. I have a lot. Okay, we're going back to the front because I got a bit out of order. I have some shirts. 32. It's kind of cute. With leggings. Oswald. 18. Brian would like this, I think. It's very colorful. It's 40. Oh, look, it's Mickey. They have this Lion King one, 45. And then this looks like Avatar. Yep, Avatar. It's 50. Nice, with the matching hat for Animal Kingdom. 20. That's not bad. Elemental. Huh. Smile, Breeze, Believe, Disney Magic. $14, the one in the back. Oh, this is Moana. Cute. 30. It looks like there's pants with the coconuts. Also very cute. And this Moana shirt. 15. That's not bad. More Lion King. 15. We have the Little Mermaid. 40. More jerseys. I don't wear jerseys anymore. It looks like 30. We have the Tiki Room for 35. And Star Wars for 50. This one's kind of cute. I think it's all the women from Star Wars. Well, not all. The Force with Us. It's kind of cute. We have Lady and the Tramp for 25. Ooh, what's this? Soup Treats. And then Mickey, like a tank top style, for 15. Kind of like this one. 25. It looks like there's only 3X in this size, and there's some in the back. There's a Star Wars t-shirt. 18, so 20% off or 25% off. That's not bad. Looks like kids swimsuits. $10. That's not bad. I keep saying not bad. $8. Wow. I kind of have to get this for new baby in the way for my friend. Not for us, not an announcement. Or the Star Wars one. Star Wars one is cute too. $8 too. How do I know what size this is? What does it mean by 4? Okay, I'm just gonna get it. I don't know what 4 means, but oh, there's little shorts. I think it means like size 4. I have no clue. Shorts. Tinkerbell, 25. Stitch, 30. Lion King, 27. Ooh, this one is 20. Wow, kind of expensive stuff. The matching shirt and more of these. As you can tell, it is very busy, so I apologize for the bad footage. Oh, cute. Oh, this one's 10. I kind of have to get it, I feel like. And this one's 10. Okay, let's keep looking. It looks like we have dresses or PJs. Oh, I think it's sleep. 25. It's really soft. Yeah, this is sleep. Ooh. 38. What is this? A dress? Yeah, a dress. Oh, I don't know the price. 65 and then 25. And then this orange bird one. 15. Oh, 15. That's not bad. Some Pride. We have 30. Oh, this one's cute. 20. Oh, this one's cute too. 15. I don't know that I like this for me though. Oh, more of those and more of those. Okay. Ooh, from Avatar, the little 20. Look over here, just because that area was. Oh, these are swimsuit covers. Cute. More swimsuits for kids. More shirts. More swimsuits. More swimsuits. Okay, we have some pants. If they're the right price, I might get them. Ooh, 20. 20 is a pretty good price. Oh, it looks like they're sized. So this is not my size. But that's nice that it's sized. Oh, more of these Pride shorts, 25. They're kind of cute. I don't know though, for like 18. We saw these. More PJs. 24. This is Bruno jacket. 45. Oh, look at Bruno. Fuerte. Lisa? I don't remember her name. Lisa? I didn't really watch Encanto that much. 30. More of these Mickey shirts. Ooh, that could be worth in Animal Kingdom. Oh, that casita, this one's kind of cute actually. 18, not for 18. National Geographic. Oh, that's kind of cute. It'd be 15. And more National Geographic. Oh, this one's even cheaper. What's over here? More National Geographic? What are these?
I'm trying to remember what this from. It's from Marvel. I think it's from
Guardians, yeah. What's this one? More Guardians?
Captain Marvel.
Oh, okay.
This is the thing.
Marvel, 35. Oh, that stone thing. Oh, ooh, interesting. How much? 50.
The green one.
My mom used to have some like this. How much is this one? Okay, we have some.
The Black Panther one.
Black Panther that I just dropped. And this one is 50. Oh, did you see this Guardians t-shirt? It is 15. Hold on. So that's the front. It's good to have friends, and then it's all of them. Master of Mischief. Ooh, it's Loki. And Amazing Spider-Man. Periodic Park. Yeah, Elementals. I think we saw that section. So we've seen this section so far, so I'm going to try to make my way this section. Okay, we're just going to come to this side for now, and then we'll go back. It looks like it's like a little play set for kids for 20. Decorating set for 20. Ooh, these Avatar little dolls. I think they go on your shoulder, or maybe not. I don't know why I thought they did. What's with this one? It's this blue blood cell, $8. That's not bad. Turning red, $8. Okay, we have some ears. Oh, Wakanda ears, $10. Okay, I have these actually for 18. Marble ones. I don't really like these. I'm sorry. If you do, awesome. They're $10. Come get them, but they're not for me. And then we have some hats. Wakanda. This is something I think my brother would be wearing. 13. New Asgard. And then some National Geographics. Oh, this one's kind of plain. I kind of like that. That's the pattern of the park. And that's... Oh, $8. That's not bad. Okay, we have this Oswald. It's amazing. 40. Extra, extra large. So come get it if that's your size. 30. Oswald. This one's kind of nice too, but it looks kind of PJ-y. I think the colors of it. All right, we're on to the house. Ooh, it's a diffuser. I wonder if it smells like the ride. Wana serving plates. Oh, I kind of want it, but look how heavy it is. I guess if my parents could take it for me in October. Okay, we'll come back and grab it. There's for your drinks and your toothpicks. 13, 20, or 10. That's not bad. Oh, these are glass too. These are 14 each. And more Avatar. And then these are Moana plates. It looks like it's just Moana, but different colors. We have some ornaments. I don't know the price. It's getting busier and busier by the minute. But it's the same ones as the other outlet. 15. And then these shoes are 25 or 25% off. We have more plushies. We have backpack. And the shield, 20. You too can be Captain America. Or I don't know who this is actually. $8. Oh, Carter. Ooh, soft. Cute PJs. 18. More PJs. 30. Oh, we have these socks, $5. They've been at the outlets for a while though. I know. And we have costumes, which I don't think. Oh, they are on sale. $30. Some Pride collection. 13. 12.
Come on, boys, come on.
This one's 11 or 12.
Oh, is that so?
Okay, there's a couple of things behind them. Like all the Birks are behind them. A lot of ornaments and pins are behind them. I'm guessing they had an issue. But there's a little ornament right there that I might want, depending on how much. There's Moana Birks. There's Crocs over there and pins.
Your backpack's closed, huh?
Uh-huh. All right, we just left the outlet. We got the little swimsuit for Lila. $10 with 25% off. No, not the on the rack. $10 with 25% off, so $7.50. Not bad for a 3-piece. We got the little shirt, which I think it's gonna be too big, but they'll grow into it. And this one was $8 for 25% off, so not bad, so $6. Brendan got his Star Wars shirt for $18. It's very nice. He's very excited about it. And then we got this coat for my mom, which you saw on the vlog, and we got the Moana tray. But yeah, it's very, very busy. Not a bad location, a little bit all over. Come during the weekday, come right as they open, because it's very busy. I've been here twice and every time it's this busy, so just a heads up. I think I prefer the one in Camarillo more, but this one's the closest to Disneyland. If you have any questions, let me know. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and until next time, adios.